So I only got one side working. Don't ask why it's flashing like that. So you can see the new design. Oh, right, I forgot to, I think I... No, I did mention it on the tragedy video. Yeah, I thought it was not too long ago. I felt bad and decided I finally wanted to work on this thing. So I worked on this thing a bit, and I got a better design. It's now on a plate that's facing this direction. So now it's like... So it's like stacked on top of each other. So it would be like going outward like that. Oh, sinuses. Anyway, the problem is I ran out of parts. Well, actually, I didn't run out of electronic parts. I just ran out of regular parts. I basically have like, I basically have infinite like electronics at this point. Mostly. Just ignore the infinite part and you'll be spot on. Okay, what I really ran out of was time. So yeah, the lights here are not implemented yet. The back is gone. I guess I never showed you what it looks like when the bottom is on, or the bottom. Oh, what in the? I'm sure that's not important. I never showed you what the bottom looks like when it's turned on. So use the switch. You can see stuff happens. Wait, what the? Oh boy, what is happening? Oh, God forbid! What is this? Why is it flashing? Oh, it's turning purple. Why are both of them turning purple? Now it's green. Oh wait, this is the thing for the flashlight and global flashlight, or the lamp thing. Okay, so wait. Three, four. This one should be the green lantern. Kind of. Okay, it's kind of green. It's kind of hard to see. Hold on. Sort of. Alright, and then the red one. Hold on, computer. Turn off my lights.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that's definitely red. Or in the reddish area. I guess it's a worm. I don't know, it's really hard to see. But I can... Oh, that's bright. It's like the sun. Okay, yeah, that's dimmer. Yeah, that's reddish color. Alright, now... Ugh. Like a greenish color. This should be a bluish color. Yeah, that's definitely blue. Ugh. Um... Okay, now there's some unlisted ones, so I'm just gonna... Computer, turn on my lights.
Okay.
Anyway, so... No, wait, hold on. Where is it? Okay, so right now it's here. or would be here. Go up one, side one, press it. Yeah, this is a global lantern. Let me just turn on the brightness. Why is it not? Oh! That's bright. That is way brighter than before. Remember in the previous video where it was like... Or like the Command Block Showcase 2 where it only lit up like a small area and you could only see it at night? That's freaking like the sun! That is very bright. It's like comparable to a flashlight. Wait a minute. Wow, look how bright that is! Oh my goodness! Okay. I said... Ugh. Oops. Ah. I said comparable to a flashlight. It's on its way there. I would say it's a little bit. Actually, this thing's on the dim side. That's it at max brightness. So, this flashlight, Command Block flashlight. Now, the benefit with this... I guess it rebooted. The benefit with this thing is that it has multiple things. So you can have a full-on lantern, you can have a flashlight, you can have it as a freaking Bluetooth speaker. I don't know what it's connected to. I'll never know. It's probably connected to my tablet. It can be even used as a nightlight, like a timed nightlight. I also added a feature where it can track its like XYZ location and maybe its orientation. I haven't looked at that yet, but I'm still curious to find out. Perhaps I can do a video on where I'm coding it and looking at that. But for now... Oh. Make a noise. Well, this thing feels warm. I guess that'll be about it. Thanks for watching.